Today we ran a geared head workshop for the ACO, the Association of Camera Operators, with the support of one of our patrons, Sunbelt.
The workshop today has been fantastic. It's been really refreshing to kind of pick the bones out of kit and pick a really experienced operator's brains without the time pressures of a set, and to fine-tune and finesse the stuff that we're learning and put it into practice. And also to be surrounded by friends and colleagues has made it a really helpful and enjoyable atmosphere.
It's been a nice experience to actually spend time with your peers, helping each other along. It's a nice environment to learn from each other and have a laugh while doing it.
It's very important to be doing the workshop here in Manchester because traditionally it's always been the southeast, but there is a very thriving and very important part of the British film industry now that happens in the north. And all of those sectors of the industry need trained technicians.
It's great to be able to come and check this facility out. It's good to have it here as a local resource. I only live 20 minutes away in Manchester, so it's another good reason for productions to come up to Manchester.
The training workshops that we have, they're very valuable because there are so few around. They're just not funded at all, and they should be, and thanks to Sunbelt that they've actually seen that opportunity for funding a course like this.
It's a rare opportunity to have knowledge like this passed down. So then the fact that it's done for free for us as well, it's amazing. It's just, you can't really ask for anything else. It's great.